Q Trades back with another video. What's going on, gang? Today I'm gonna talk about percentage based trading. I said I was gonna talk about that in my last video. I'm gonna try to go off the dome, but percentage based trading. Why I think in percentages? Well, basically, I decided to start thinking in percentages concerning trading because looking at the numbers, that'll fuck your head up. That'll mess with your mental. For example, let's say you have $100 account, or let's say I have $100 account, and I make $30 on one trade, 1 or 2 trades. That is 30%. That's a big gain. But the fact that you only have a $100 account and the gain is only $30, you know what I'm saying? You making way more than that in the check, you feel me? It's like, oh, that's not a lot of money. That's how you're going to look at it. And when you look at it at a percentage-based way, perception, if you perceive it as percentages, it's like, okay, shit, I just made 30% on a $100 account. So imagine if you had $100,000 in that account. You make 30%. And especially this 30% that you just made off the $100 account, that's in a day, 1 day, right? Let's say you had a $100 account, $100,000 account, I meant, and you make 30%. How much is that? You just made 30,000 in a day. You feel me? So when you're looking at the percentage base, it's like, okay, damn, shit. If I keep moving at this pace, how many days will it take to get your whole return back 100%? Let me see. 2, that's 60. 3 days, that's 90. 4 days, 3 to 4 days, you could make all your money back. Withdraw all that shit. Still have another 100,000 in your account, or in real terms, in current reality, as I'm talking in the video, $100 account. You making $100 in what, 3 or 4 days off the $100 account. You just flipped your investment. Now you could withdraw your $100 and do it again. The power of Forex. Crazy, right? I know. So that was my main problem. Trading, that was my main problem. Trying to just looking at the number side of it, it really messed my mental up. Like I would have a $100 account, and I would I remember specifically trading gold. This back then when I was over leveraging. I know I'm not supposed to be over leveraging, but without over leveraging, you can still make a good return on your account. But at this time period, I was over leveraging for sure. I used what, a 0.10. I think that's a mini lot. Yeah, a 0.10, $1, a dollar size lot. Use that on a $100 account. Trading gold. If you trade Forex, gold, that bitch move. That motherfucker is very volatile. So yeah, that's a nice over leverage right there. Like now, today, like this current moment, I won't even use a 0.10, a dollar lot, unless my account is up 1,000. If I have $1,000 in an account, I use a 0.10 for every $1,000 in my account. That's just my risk management. That's just how that's a whole nother video on risk management, how to, find what's good for you, how to fit, That's a whole nother video. Trading gold, I had a $100 account. It was on one trade too. On a 0.10, I had made $60. Now, $60 may not seem like a lot to you, but on a $100 account, that's 60%. Now, let's go back to the term in terms of if you had a $100 account, a $100,000 account, right? That's 60,000 in 1 day, one fucking day. Nigga, that's a salary right there. You have the power to make a salary in a day, fool, you feel me? So at the time period, I was not thinking like that at all. I wasn't. So I also had another problem. I was greedy. I wouldn't take profit. So I made $60. I remember it was a sale too. Gold dropped. And gold real volatile. That motherfucker dropped, sat there for a little bit, went right back up, made a long ass wick. And I knew I should have took profit because my nigga, I was working at Quick Way Hibachi. In a day, I made what? In 1 day, working like part-time, 4 or 5 hours, 5 hours, 4 hours, 30 minutes. What's that? $45, no more than $50, $11.50 an hour. My nigga, I was making that shit in a day. Not even in a full day or even fucking half a day, my nigga. In less than an hour, you feel me? So the fact that I wasn't taking this power that I had into consideration, that okay, damn, I'm making these type of percentage gains. You feel me? Like I'm making them type of percentage gains now, but at the time I wasn't thinking about how powerful or how good I actually was. You feel me? I was always looking at the number aspect. I could think back at many times where I was up a good percentage on my account, a good percentage where if I just take profit, the money is now on my account, and I'm up so much on my account percentage wise that by the end of the trading week, the account is already flipped. You feel me? I am still that type of trader. I was that type of trader. I'm not gonna say I am that type of trader now because I don't over leverage like that anymore. So I'm not gonna, I'm not gonna put no set time on a set time limit on how fast I can flip an account because there's days where there's no setups in the market. So I'm not gonna say that. But back then I was making some gains on my account and I just wasn't taking that into consideration. And at the end of the day, it wasn't working to my benefit until I changed my thinking to percentage-based thinking. It's been times I've been up 80% on a $100 account, didn't take profit, and the shit all came back on me on some retarded shit, on some greedy shit. You feel me? I'm not gonna say retarded, but on some greedy shit. You feel me? Emotions, man. Emotions. Matter of fact, most of these top traders, Forex Daniel, Q Banks, FX Frost, Chris Regum, Mamba Forex, it's a lot of other guys, but most guys, top traders, they think in percentage. They don't look at the numbers. They think in percentage. Also, me thinking in percentage, it took my mind off the numbers. I think I already said that, but it took my mind off the numbers. So it helped benefit me taking profit. It helped satisfy my greed. I'm going to say that one more time. Thinking in percentages, it helps satisfy my greed. If you're a greedy Forex trader, think in percentages, because if you're up over 25% of your account, think like this. 4 quarters, 25 cents a quarter, right? 4 quarters makes $1, right? 25%, 4 days. I only trade 4 days out of the trading week because I do not trade on Fridays and I do not trade on Sundays. People trade on Sundays, they call that dumb money. Most people, I'm not going to say everybody that trades on Sundays is dumb money, but most people know what they're doing on Sundays, Most people don't, matter of fact. But I don't trade on Fridays. They call that Friday flush. I call that Friday flush because the markets, they just be tanking on Fridays for some damn reason. I don't know. It's like they fucking reset or some shit. I don't know. Or it's probably fundamentals, maybe. Fundamentals could take it over. But I just leave Fridays alone because, it just don't be fucking with me. But what I was trying to say is, I'm way off topic. But what I was trying to say is 4 days, 25%. 25% plus over 4 days. That's 100% plus. You flipped an account in 4 days. So if you're up 25%, I'm up 20%. I would be so glad to take that, my nigga. I'm so glad to take that. That's excellent. That is excellent. 15%. That's excellent. The key is you want to just take profit at 2 to 3 plus, or 4, 2 to 3, 2, 3, 4, 5 times the number that you're risking. So if I'm risking 3%, I'm going for 6, 9, 12 plus percent. You feel me? So 20%, I'm looking at 20%. I don't even care what the number is. I'm looking at the percentage because I'm like, damn, nigga, I'm only risking 3%. If I lose a trade, it ain't gonna do shit to my win. What's that? What's 3%? What's 3%? Nothing. On a $100 account, that's $3. Nothing. On a $100,000 account, what's 3%? Think like 3,000, if I'm not mistaken. What is $3,000 on $100,000, motherfucker? You still got $97,000 more dollars. Now let's say you make 20% on a $100,000 account. You just made 20 bands in a day. Now let's say you make 20 bands, right? And then you lose that 3% after you make the 20 bands. Now you're down. Now you're up 17,000. Nigga, 17,000. Like, My God, I wasn't even making that in 1 year at Quickway. So me making 17,000 in a day. Well, the possibility that I can make 17,000 in a day. You feel me? Do you see what I'm trying to get at? Forex is very powerful. It's a very powerful business. Very powerful. Very. Thinking in percentages while you're losing money, that's also good. It's also as good as thinking in percentages when you're making money. Because let's say you got a $1,000 account, right? And then you're down what? You're down $200. You're like, damn. You're like, damn, man. Like, shit, $200. You know what I'm saying? That's a lot to you. So you letting it run. You don't got no stop loss. You just hope trading at this point. You letting it run. My nigga, cut the trade early. You want to know why you should cut the trade early? You still got hope if you cut the trade early, because you're only down 20%. You got 80% of your account left to trade with, to live another day with. You feel me? To trade another day with. You got 80% left on your account. Y'all, I feel as though if you think in percentages, it'll help benefit you. It'll benefit your mental. It'll take your mind off the numbers. And that's what you want to do. The numbers there fuck you up. You'll go money hungry or some greedy stuff. I'm telling you. And I know every trader is greedy. Every trader got that little greed in them. I promise you that. Everybody greedy. You can't say nothing to me. You can't tell me nothing that'll make me think otherwise. Everybody greedy. You know, we just got our own levels to it. You feel me? Some people can control it more than others. That's all I'm saying on that. But that's all for today, guys. Let me know if this information I told you guys resonated with you guys. Let me know if it helped. You know, share this video to friends, family that may need this information. You know, also like, comment, subscribe, and I'm out.